So if you got watch our video, we got purchased the iPhone, the new iPhone 12. So this type of iPhone 12, after we purchase, it come without the adapter. So this video we're going to unbox this adapter. Bought it from machine Apple Malaysia. Yeah, today is unboxing this 99 ringgit. This is a 20-watt charging, okay, for the new iPhone. Okay, you may use back your old charging, but we like to get another new charging for the new Apple phone. So we got the cable ready, which is a lightning port and the USB type C. So we need to buy this to get the new kind of the charging. Okay, so we take out this design very special. So we got this is a design for a new adapter. You can see over here, right? This is a new design. Okay, so it's Malaysia, they have put a serum, this which is the original from Apple. So this is the USB type C for you to connect the latest cable. So in open, how we just open it very fast. Okay, can open with one hand. So you can see all the information. They very clever. They write right inside the. You can see it. All inside the text inside the here, but I hardly to see lah. You have to use a camera, snap it and zoom it to see properly. So 20 watt. You can see it. So this was I'm trying to show. Sorry. Okay, so very nice design. You can see, easy to open it up. Okay, so this adapter costs 99 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so that's all for this video. Adapter, 20-watt adapter, USB type C power adapter from Apple machine. Apple, this is the original Apple. Okay, so if you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe to MCho channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye. One.